Hey everybody, welcome to Express. My name is Steven. So would you like to do some dropshipping into your eBay account? I'm going to be showing you how we can do this in a very easy way. So the very first thing you wanted to do, which I think is really essential, is to have an account into eBay. Once you have your account, everybody is able to start selling into eBay. But if you want to make them dropshipping, you have to become an actual seller hub, and to actually have the access to be granted the access to the seller hub. What you want to do now that you are signed in into eBay? Let's focus into the upper side. It says sell. Here it is. I'm going to click that. And as you can see, this one took me into the active mode, into the seller hub of my eBay account. So it's really important that you have this available. If you don't have that part, what you wanted to do is to go directly into the payment section, go into summary, and here into summary you wanted to check it out, the actual account. In my case, it's your payouts are currently on hold because your eBay account is suspended. So what I wanted to do is to reinstate it, this part, in order to get started. So whether you can use the pay your account, you can choose the payout preferences, you can import a PayPal, a Payoneer, a credit card, debit card, which I think is going to be really important in order to just get charged for an actual listing, and then later on you can receive money with that payment method. So now you have your seller hub already been enabled. What I wanted to do is to look out for a dropshipper supplier that can be helping me to import products into my eBay store so I can start earning money. In my case, I'm going to be using an application called CJ Dropshipping. So here into the CJ Dropshipping, this is an actual dropshipper supplier from AliExpress. So if you don't know what AliExpress is, it's like something, an online shopping, really popular. There's a lot of stuff that you can buy with a very cheap price. So what you can do is to actually look out for, let's say for example, this product, but I'm going to look out for something more cheaper than that, and then later on I can sell that a little bit more with a higher price inside my eBay account, so I can be earning a few dollars for that. So once I'm here into CJ Dropshipping, what I wanted to do is to have an account. I do have an account with this same email account that I have created my eBay, so I'm gonna look out for my account. I'm gonna hit into my profile, and once you have created your account, you can focus into the authorization process. So we need to grant the access from eBay to access CJ Dropshipping elements and to import files and to see our basic information and all that. So focus into authorization, and here into authorization, as you can see, there's a bunch of places where you can make the authorization. We want to look only for eBay, so I click there, and there we go. So now what I want to do is to leave my actual eBay account opened like that, go back into my CJ and look out for the one that says add store. In my case, I do have this one already been authorized, so I'm going to delete this so you can see what is the actual process. Actually, it's really easy. So focus into add store, and here automatically the requestment is going to be appearing here. So you need just to grant the access. You need to go to copy the name of your seller hub, which in my case is appearing in here. If you don't see the name of your actual seller, you can go into my eBay, focused into summary, and here is the overview. So here in the upper part is the name of your store. So you need to copy that information, paste it into the actual CJ Dropshipping, and then later on your store should be added automatically. Now what I wanted to do is to go into CJ Dropshipping logo in the upper side, and then later on we wanted to import files into the actual eBay. So how can we do this? The very first thing you wanted to do is to look out for the right products to sell. So you don't want to look out for products that are already been listed, or there's actually a lot of people selling this item inside eBay. So for example, here are mini mops floor cleaning. So what I wanted to do, I'm gonna pause this for a second. So what I do like to do is to open a new tab. Here into this new tab, what I want to do is to type into the email ebay.com, sorry. I paste the name of the product that I wanted to list, which is this one, and I just figured out if there's a lot of people selling this item into eBay. So as you can see, we have 1, 2, 3, a lot. I'm gonna scroll all my way up, and as you can see, I just want to delete the cleaning sponge. I'm going to delete this one, and we have 3 results. But if I delete these other keywords, I have 50 results of this item. So there's actually not a lot of people selling this product, but you can see this is the actual dropshipping stuff that I'm talking about. So once you define the product, you can list into eBay, go back here, and here this is the product that I wanted to add into my store, right? So focus into the option that says list. So I click that, and now here, as you can see, have the name of the store. You want to choose the store that of course is the eBay account. I go ships from, we need to choose China of course, and here are the variants. So as you can see now in this pod, it's really important to check it out. What is the cost of this product from CJ Dropshipping, which is almost $9, plus the shipping fee and the service fee. The total of all this order should be almost $19. So that means that I needed to make the cost of this product a little bit more higher than that, so I can start receiving more money. So if I type, like, let's say for example $20, at the end of the day I'm going to be earning $1 per sale. If you don't know how much you would like to aim for, you can choose the one that says recommended listing price. So as you can see, I'm going to be earning $61 per sale, but the price is actually really high. So if you're okay with that, just focus into list now. Of course I need to fill my tags. In my case this is just a cleanup. You hit into the plus option and go into list now. So of course I needed to make the product a little bit more tinier, so I'm going to delete the portable wiper. I'm going to delete this actual title because this is something that is not that useful. I just wait into confirmed, and listed is now being successful. Now in my case, I'm going to go into my actual eBay. I go into my listing, and as you can see, I have nothing yet added. But if I focused into a product that I do have available as a draft, and there we go. So as you can see, I'm going to go a little bit back here. As you can see, I do have 1, 2, 3, 4 products that I have just added into my eBay account. This one I have this as unlisted because I needed to change my eBay account. So later on I can start to make some sales again. But as you can see, here's the actual format, the current price, the available quantity, the watchers, the bid, and the end date. Everything, all of this information I added directly from the CJ Dropshipping. And the process was exactly the same. So we have the variations, we have the photos, we have the SKU number, we have the current price, the quantity available inside CJ Dropshipping, which I think is like really easy to make some dropshipping into eBay. So the last thing you just need to do after you listed all of your elements, you wanted to go into your account once again, go into the selling hub, and inside the selling hub you want to make sure that you have payment and payouts already been enabled in order to start receiving money. So there you go. This is like the most basic and easy way to make dropshipping into eBay using CJ Dropshipping. Of course, you can use much more dropshipper suppliers, the one that you best fits for you. But in my case, I use CJ Dropshipping because I think it's really fast, easy, and I already know what are the products that I've been selling into AliExpress. So with that being said, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. We have now reached into the very end of the video, so hopefully this was very useful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching the video, and well, with that being said, I'll see you in the next one, guys.